that suspicious fencing activities are still ongoing, wala pa pong konkretong aksyon ginagawa yung mga kinaukulan. I can see here a scenario of impunity, yung mga may kagagawan nito. At bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa yung cease and desist order? There should be a proper agency in government that should be able to already work on the immediate issuance of the cease and desist order, because these activities are clearly unlawful, illegal, because they're encroaching into the lands of the public domain. And then certain areas, sabi po ng ating gentleman from Camarines Sur, na meron na ho palang mga CLOA, yung ibang portions of the area being fenced. So why are they still grabbing those land? So something's very, very suspicious is ongoing here. And the appropriate agencies of government must act urgently. Hindi na nga dapat sila maghintay ng inquiry na dapat gawin ng ating Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. Because this is a very serious matter. Na basta na hindi pwedeng, basta na lang mga pribado na mga institusyon, pribado na mga individual, pribado na mga korporasyon just can do their thing with respect to lands of the public domain which are not supposed to be alienable. So I support Madam Chairman, the call, and I can even co-sponsor that resolution with the indulgence and the permission of the main sponsor, that particular resolution para maimbestigahan po kaagad. Malaman din po kaagad natin as confirmed from SEC records sino ang mga behind that corporation, the Waterland Corporation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you.